Dialogue is what your characters say in your script. It is made up of character name, written in capital letters, parentheticals only when needed, and the spoken line. The dialogue comes under the character's name, center. Example from Bridesmaid: fade in. X, upscale modern home. Night, the ultimate bachelor pad. A porch is packed in front of it. Annie, OS, I am so glad you called. Ted, OS, I am so glad you were free. Annie, OS, I love your eyes. Ted, OS, cup my balls. Annie, OS, okay, yes, alright, I can do that. Ted, OS, oh, there it is. If you are using a screenwriting software, the character's name and its correct position will be formatted automatically. If you are typing it manually, make sure to get the alignment and spacing right. Keep your dialogue simple. Don't use too much words. Use as little as possible words to get across what you want to say. Your characters should sound like who they are supposed to be. They shouldn't sound like you. Learn to give your characters voices of their own. You created the characters, but they are not you. Give them a personality, a backstory. Bring them to life and see them as people, their own people. Then they will have their own voices. What an introvert will say in a certain situation may be different from what an extrovert will say in the same situation. What a shy person will say, if they say it, they usually smile or frown, may be different from what an outgoing person will say. Learn about different personalities and how they interact with other people. This will help you to write a better dialogue. How, you may ask? Research. Research will help you a lot in your writing. Learn to make it a habit. You can learn a lot from Google, books, and listening to other people. When you write dialogue, don't write what you think the characters should say. Write what the character says. Example: your character is a psycho, but he is speaking in your voice. Why? Are you a psycho? No, you are not. A psycho should sound like a psycho. When he speaks, even his silence should scare you. Things to avoid in your dialogues. Long speeches. Long speeches that say nothing is useless. Unless they are monologues, avoid long speeches. Don't forget that these dialogues will be memorized and spoken by actors. Have pity on them. Keep your dialogues short and simple. Too much parentheticals. Only use parenthetical when necessary. Don't use it to describe action or scene details. That's what the action lines are for. Don't be verbose. Don't say, yes, I actually, when yes is enough. Less can actually say more, especially when paired with subtext, body language, or action. using dialogue to show off your thesaurus skills. Big words won't make your characters sound smart. If your character is not a professor who actually uses big words, don't bother. No one goes to the cinema to learn grammar. It's going to look weird if every Tom, Dick, and Harry in your script sound like old Oxford professors when they speak. The occasional use of big words by characters who can use them is okay. If your character is a grammar freak who likes to show off using big words, by all means, let him use his big words. But an uneducated character who speaks like a professor will look weird.